All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on the time you are watching this video. I want to show you how to have access to your seller account, how to use your seller account in general. So I'll be explaining a lot of things, and if I cannot explain all of them in this video, then I'm actually going to be creating another video to ensure that I can explain it in that video. So when you talk about seller, simply go to Chrome. This is my browser, Chrome, and you type seller, right? When you type seller, this is all the information you can get about seller. So what I will do is that I'm going to type I'm going to choose the first one, this one, which is the website. I'll click on it. This is it here. So this is what seller do. This is everything about their website. You can sell digital product, you can sell ebook, you can sell courses and membership program. You can create ticket and training program. You can have services. You can have physical product. You can also become an affiliate for seller. This is it. You can become an affiliate for seller. Seller will have an affiliate marketing system and so on. Set up your own sales pages. So you can see there. Let me show you. This the affiliate program here. So that's their website. Then you can click here. You click here to view some of their activities or some of the things that they have to do with their website. So you have how it works. How the seller works. We click on how it works. They explain to you how it works. If you want to create your own, if you are somebody who wants to sell your own product, you have to create, first of all, sign up and set up your bank account details. And then you upload your own product, and then you share the link to your customer to pay. But since my focus today will be on those who are affiliates, so I will show you how it's possible for you to actually sign up with their account. So I'll show you how it's possible for you to sign up to the account and then get your distance. So let me take sign up. Seller, I think sign up. This is log in here. You can see here, log in. So I'll click on log in. Now, if you don't have a seller account, it means that you have not created an account with seller. Please click here, right? They'll click here to have a free account. So they'll ask you to put your username, your email, your full name, and your password, and they click account. Now, if they have made you an affiliate before and you don't yet have a seller account, what will happen is that you'll see somewhere in the email that they send you that activate your account. When you click on activate account, they'll bring you here in this place that you see, which is you put your username, you put your email address, you put your full name, and they put your password. And remember that you always have to remember your email address, username, and full name, and password. Sorry, username, email address, and password, because you need them each time. So these are the currencies that seller support. We have, you can see there, the currencies that seller support: USD, and US dollars, Great Britain pounds, Naira, Ghana cedis, and so on. So I'll just move ahead. I already have an account, so let me log in. So my email address, I'll use my email address. I cannot remember my username, then my password. So so I've logged into my seller account. So when you log into your seller account, for those who just created the account, the very first thing you see here is set up your bank account. So how do you set up your bank account? So you click on set up your bank account. I already set my bank account, so that's why I cannot see it here. So let me click here. For those who already this thing, I'm clicking here. Saying I've set up my bank account already. I want to show you how you can set your own. So you click on set up your bank account. It's going to show somewhere around here. When you click on it, you now move now to this way. You now come here, and I want to go to my bank account details. So let me look for it here. Let me look for it here, and I'll show you how it goes. So this is I'll click on wallet and payout. So wallet and payout. Sorry, let me go back. This is the wallet and payout. And then this is payout settings. You can see there, payout settings. So I'll click on payout settings. It will bring me here. So let me change my bank account details. So this is how your payment is. So your bank should be mobile money. For those who are in Cameroon, if you're in Cameroon or you're in Ghana or you are in whatever country you find yourself, your bank is mobile money. It's these bank accounts that are here are mostly for Nigerians. The bank account you see here are mostly for Nigerians. So your payout detail here should be mobile money if you're in Cameroon and Ghana. I don't know about other countries, but for me, at this, except that these banks are located in your country, maybe you could actually use some of the banks. But Cameroon, then this is mobile money. The account number is your mobile money number. Your account number is your mobile money number, and then you put your password. So what you do is like the bank is mobile money, the account number is mobile money number, and the password here is your password. So I don't want to create my account, so I don't want to create this. This is my when you do that. This is how you see it. This is your details: bank name, mobile money, account number, and this is my account number. You can see it here, and this is the currency reserve. So that is what you have as payout settings. Is very important. When you put your payout settings, when seller pay you money, you actually receive it directly to your mobile money. So then this is your wallet. For you to see the amount of money you have made, it goes to your wallet. Simply click on wallet. So I think I have 1,400 in this thing. Now, one thing you should understand is that this account I'm using, I'm no longer using it. I actually switch it because Selar, I have one follow with Selar, my affiliate. So I had to switch it to a new email, and I cannot have access to that account with this browser. I'm using a different browser to have access to it. So this one was one affiliate course I sold. So now, one thing I've seen that is that many people feel to have come to me expressing their dissatisfaction that maybe somebody bought a course from them and they don't see the affiliate, they don't see the money in their wallet. Now, one thing about it is that Seller does work on send the money to your wallet after a particular duration. And if you're in Cameroon, the duration is 5 days. I mean, when somebody buy a product using your affiliate link or buy your product, it could be an affiliate product, could be your own product. The seller and send the money to your wallet after 5 days. If in Nigeria, it's after 24 hours. So that's one thing is that is according to currency. So let me go back here. I click on this on this place, and it takes me back here. So you will see it under upcoming payouts. If you want, when you close the sale, you can always see the money under upcoming payouts. So you click on upcoming payout. I have none because I've not used this account for. So you see it here. So if I was using the other account, I would have shown you how it goes. But I wanted to use one because Chrome is the main browser I use here. So now you can always how do you get your affiliate link, right? How do you get your affiliate link? So I want you to click on affiliate. First of all, for the very first way to get affiliate link, where you on this dashboard, you come below here. This is your links. You can see here your affiliate links. Your affiliate links. I have 14 links. So I'm going to click on view. Let me show you the view. This is here. I'm going to click on view. When I click on view, it takes me to the affiliate link. So these are the product I've sold. I've sold these 400 and 1,000 something, $2 and so on. So these are I'm affiliate for Joybet and January Joybet. This is a link here. So if this is the affiliate link that you use to sell your product, when someone want to buy, give the person this link. So always copy this link and paste it somewhere that you can easily have access to if you don't want to come. Always. This is American Nobis. Emmanuel Akwe. I'm affiliate. So look at you can see the percentage of commission I receive each time I close the sale. So this one is 50%. Emeka Nobis 50%. Emmanuel Akwe 50%. And then I think this is we have this year Emeka Nobis 50%. We have and so on and so forth. This was my product I used. So you can see 50%. So but this is the affiliate link. You can see the affiliate link here. So the first is the name of the person who made you an affiliate. we have their the type of affiliate. Are you being an affiliate for all their product or for a single product? And then they'll, if the affiliate link is still active, you see there the status is active, right? And the commission, they show you now the percentage of commission you're paying you. For those who are affiliate for my course, I think that their commission is their percentage 50%. Then this is the affiliate link. This is a link you need to send to somebody when the person want to buy a course. It is a link you need to send to them. How do you copy the link? Simply click on it and hold, and then click copy link address. Copy link address. So let me use example of this Emeka Nobis, or let me use example um of this Mentor Bliss platform. So I want to go to a different page on a different browser, and I paste it there. When I paste it there, I'm gonna see the product on Mentor Bliss platform. So that's it there. You can see it. 12 Academy X, and these are all the products on the listing. So if somebody buys a product using this my link that I'm actually going to using this link that I've put here, you see that the person is I'm going to earn commission 50% on any position that the person pay. So if a person wants to buy, I simply go to this and send the person the link. Let's use the example. Let me use an example here. I send the link to this person. If the person want to buy, the person goes, take the link, click on the link, goes, and it takes the person here, and the person chooses a product and buy. I'm going to make a separate video on how to buy a product on Selar. Let me delete the link because I don't want the person to have access to the link. So let me delete it from everybody. All right. So let me go back to my Selar accounts and show you and continue explaining what we're explaining. So this is how you get your affiliate link. When you make a sale, you see it on the here. So these are people who bought in Cameroon. These are people who bought from when they paid using dollars, and these are people who bought using naira. So let me go back. So yeah. So whenever you want to withdraw your money, maybe you have made sales, simply come to this wallet. You click on wallet and pay out. They click on wallet. And then now when you click on wallet, it comes here. Click withdraw your funds. So when you click withdraw funds, Selar charges you a withdrawal fee of 600 francs for every withdrawal, no matter the amount. You pay a withdrawal fee of 600 francs. So I have 1,400 and something. So if I withdraw, what I'm going to receive is 1,800. And we're going to have an instant withdrawal. Let me just place withdrawal of this amount. You see, it's going to come to my money account immediately. So it's the money is this year. I've received the money 800 and something. You can see there. So a withdrawal is instant for those who are in Cameroon. So if you have a product, then I'll create a separate video on how to upload products on Selar. Also create a separate video on how to activate multi-currency. So I believe that you have been able to know how to use your Selar platform. You can always go through just go through this thing on this platform and get to know more about this. This is your dashboard. This is how your dashboard looks like. So when those if you're actually set up your bank account, you see this add product. If you don't have a product, don't add. It doesn't really make sense. So your interest is this affiliate link. Get your affiliate link and send it to people who are interested. So yeah, so if you have an affiliate link, you always just advertise the course, tell the people how much the course is going to help them. If they're interested to buy, then they actually buy the course. And then what you do is that you earn commission 50% of the price of the course. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.